All systems go. NASA has sent this DC-8 aircraft to East Asia to study where the region's air pollution comes from and how to make the air in this part of the world better. Today's mission, Taiwan. The crew has spent the day flying zigzags across the island, taking samples at different altitudes, comparing the fresh air of Taiwan's sparsely populated east coast with the often smoggy skies of the industrial west coast. It's the first of what the team hopes will be several flights over Taiwan, testing the air on different days in different weather, all as the project moves between the Philippines, South Korea, Malaysia, and Thailand.
Taiwan has a very advanced air quality, atmospheric chemistry community, but what they don't have is a flying laboratory. There's, the DC-8 is a unique thing. It's the largest flying laboratory in the world, and so we have strong connections with the scientists in Taiwan, and so they invited us to collaborate with them. And we said we'd already picked our 4 cities, but they suggested that perhaps we just overfly them a few times, and we said we'd love to try and do that.
One of the focuses of this flyover was the Kaohsiung-Pingtung area in the south of the country. This area has some of Taiwan's worst air quality. The government has its own program to study the issue, but the NASA data is helping them to form a 3D map of what pollutants are where, and whether they come from primary human sources like cars or form later from chemical reactions in the atmosphere.
The local scientists helped us design our flight pattern. They have 2 projects going on right now, and so this is why we're studying the southern half of the island. They said we have 2 field campaigns going on. If you fly at these altitudes, at these locations, you'll be sampling directly upwind from where we're monitoring.
Onboard labs have fast-working, high-tech equipment that is already giving the scientists some interesting data.
So based on just this one day of data, we can clearly see that Taiwan is closer to Seoul chemically than it is to Manila, as far as the type of pollution we found.
This kind of comparison is helping build a pollution map of the whole region. Many Asian cities suffer from poor air quality, but while emissions in each may be a problem, it looks like pollution may also move around, crossing borders and even open sea. Finding out where it's coming from is what this mission is all about. Justin Wu and John Van Trieste for TaiwanPlus.